So you want to create your first website, or you may even create a few, but you're not sure if they actually complete, if you should add something, if you should not, or you may actually not even know how to start and how to structure your website. Well, in this video I will tell you the structure that works for every website you may think about creating. Hi, I'm Dennis and this is FoxGramming. You already know what I'm about to show to you. The perfect structure. The one structure that no matter what you create, it will always look good and especially complete. Now, this video probably won't take out so long. I won't let a GitHub link in the description for those of you in a hurry, because there is not really a code for this, but I will let you the chapter in the description so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So, at the top of the page, you will have to put a header, as the name can suggest. In the header, you can put a jumbotron and a navigation bar. For those of you that don't know what a jumbotron is, it's basically a big picture in a rectangle that's meant to attract attention on a specific subject. For example, that was the example that was made to me. If you go on the DC website, they will have a big rectangle at the top with all the characters in it, and that's made to put attention on those characters. You may put something like that, a navigation bar that I will make a video about how to create the perfect navigation bar that looks professionally. If it's up, you will see it in the cards above. Your header can be a big picture of you or of your company with your name or your logo in the center. That's more than enough for a very good looking header. Next part, you will have to create a footer. Basically, at the end of the page, when you see all the contacts or all different stuff and different hyperlinks, the copyright, that's the footer. That's always to be put at the end of your web page, even if it's a presentation web page like of yourself. You can put a small footer at the end because it looks good and let the person that is looking at your website know that it's actually finished. After that, nothing more will come. In the footer, you can put basically every hyperlink that you may want. You can put like your address and your phone number for the contact us. You can put a map for where your office is actually at, and all these kind of things. You probably will put like the copyright protected, and what a lot of people also do is to put, like, if you have a navigation menu, to report it in the header. Now, for the most important, complete and complicated stuff, we have actually the main content. That's where all the action and the attention will be focused when someone scrolls your web page. You will usually want to divide your content section in smaller little sections. Like, you can put an image with a description of yourself or of your business. You can put like the recently uploaded section, another rectangle, when you put like 3-4 pictures and then the view more to go to the actual gallery, or some projects that you made, or these kind of things. Of course, I said 3 to 4, but depending on your website, you can add as many as you want. If you don't want to actually have a multi-pager website and you want all in one, you can put even 20 different sections. That won't make your website less good looking or less professional. It's just a choice, and everyone will respect it and no one will mind it. Now, just to make a quick idea, I will show to you my actual website that you saw across the entire video, but we will focus on the content part. You will see I have basically my logo and what my project is about with the freelancing with YouTube. Going down, you will see a little YouTube video, and at the right some text about my YouTube channel and all my YouTube project and stuff that I'm planning to do. That's a second section. For the third section, it's not actually complete, but you can see my idea. I will basically make some cards that will show, and as you can see, a little view more presets to click on to go to the actual preset page. I will add another section in the future, but 3 of them are more than enough. I don't need anything else to make my website look very good and professional, in my opinion. Of course, there are still room for styling. You can make the section as big as you want, as long as you want, there is no problem at all. So in my opinion, this is the perfect structure for any web page. It makes it feel complete, professional, it doesn't require 5 more pages to show other things. I have everything in here. I will add pages just because I want to, not because I have to, because if you look at this website, you'll be like, yes, it's complete. I don't need anything else. I know everything that I should know about this person, his programs, his freelancing career, his YouTube channel. I know everything that I need to know, and that's the most important part. It's simple and it's complete and professional. So, what are your opinions? Do you think it's simple enough? Do you think that something could be removed, or there is something very important that I have to add because without it nothing makes sense? In your opinion, let me know in the comments. I'm always open to discussion and I love seeing opinions. As always, thank you for watching. I hope that you got value out of this video. If you did, remember to leave a like and a comment to help the video spread to more people. Thank you very much if you do, and see you in the next video.